This is brought to you by
Cheyenne,
Brianna,
Caesar,
Gerardo.
This includes the story I tell. It's a rapping story of the living cell. It's a happy tune that's sort of cheery about a relative topic called the cell theory.
all animals, plants, and products too are made of cells with different jobs to do. They're the basic units of all organisms, and I hope by now you got the rhythm.
It all started with one dude named Hook who at some cork cells took a look. He used the scope and took his time because the cell was small and thinner than a dime.
Say 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you ready to learn some more? The animal cell has many parts and you must know each one by heart.
Like a farmer man in the dell, the nucleus controls the cell and it gives orders, kind of like the brain, and it protects the nuclear membrane.
Around the cell, you'll find another skin. The cell membrane holds the cell in, but its job isn't simple. There's no doubt. It lets some particles go in and out.
Now please don't lose your time and enthusiasm. Listen to the story of the cytoplasm all around the cell. This thick fluid does go, but in the nucleus it will not flow.
And don't forget that those ribosomes, this is where proteins come from. These proteins factories are so small you'll see you need an electron microscope to see.
Just when you thought you weren't having any fun, along comes the endoplasmic reticulum. These tubes are like structures that serve as a track to carry stuff to the membrane and back.
Now, have you ever seen any donuts without holes in a cell? They're called vacuoles. They're filled with stuff like H2O and they carry food so the cell can grow.
Last of all, but not the very least, mitochondria, mighty cellular beast. Since they turn sugars into energy so well, we call them the powerhouse of the cell.
Now
my friend, you know it well. This is brought to you by
Cheyenne,
Brianna,
Caesar,
Gerardo.
Okay, listen to the This is brought to you by
Cheyenne,
Brianna,
Caesar, Gerardo.
Okay, listen close
Caesar,
to
Gerardo.
This is brought to you by
Cheyenne,
Brianna. Caesar, stop. Like a farmer man in the dairy, the nucleus controls the cell. It gives orders kind of like the brain, and it protects by a cellular nuclear membrane.
Around the cell, you'll find another skin, the cellular membrane.
Oh my gosh,